Yung mahaba, baby.
Why?
Baka makagat ka ng sheep.
This?
Yes? Di mo naman siya napipid. Kawawa naman. Galing. Help me. Huh? You want to throw it? No.
Look, here's your sheep. How the sheep loves it. Look.
Ikaw, Night.
Here you go.
Iaabot mo sa kanya.
Mama, I can read all at once. There's someone else. Something can eat it.
Ano sabi ng ship?
Bleh. Let's go. Mama, can I go to the other side?
Tama na, ikot naman tayo.
Dito lang. Dito lang. Bigyan mo kasi dito.
You know, magalang yung head. Tutulog lang.
Ano po?
Tutulog lang po. Sabi niya.
Let's check, baby.
Please,
Baby, come on. Let's check this one.
please.
Oh, that's a peacock.
It's the potato.
It's the butter too.
Why was it
It's the turtle isle.
7. This is the little, this is lily pad. There's a broken lily pad. There's some watermelon. Guys, it's so cute. It's so cute. Cute. That's a big cute.
First time nilang
Nice.
dito.
Oh. Yay.
Deeper. Are you thinking that you're gonna sing?
It's not going to sink. Don't worry.
What if I touch the water too?
No.
the water. We're gonna sink here now.
Di naman.
No. We're gonna sink. I'm gonna sound so we're gonna sing. I like that. Go.